Welcome back. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's video, I am going to be unboxing, and also you all can see I already have makeup on, but I don't have any false lashes on. I only have my natural lashes on. If it's, you can see it, like it's barely there, but you can see it, right? Anyway, I'm going to be trying one of the lashes. I don't know how many I have in the box, but I'm going to be trying one of them on. So I'm not going to be doing a lashes trial. Oh, that's not going to be possible. It's going to be too much for my lashes. Yeah, you all know that, right? But I'm going to be showing you what I have in this box. This box was sent to me by a YouTuber, a friend, a sister. You all need to please check her channel out, and also please support her business. Let's support each other. She goes by Odette Young on YouTube. Her lashes is called STARLASHESXODETTE. All right, she has that also. She has a page on Instagram that you can also go and check out to be able to, in order for you to see varieties that she has going on her business. All right, I'm going to put every link to this product, and also to her channel and to her Instagram. I'll put it in the description box. So she launches some lashes sometimes ago, I think this year or late last year. I can't even remember, I'm so sorry, but I already featured that on my channel before. And now she has another baby girl. I have been seeing her using this particular one several times in one of the video that she's been doing for like a month. She called it Beauty Month. That's what she titled that. So she has been using one particular one like regularly. That's how reusable the lashes is.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
Please do not forget to check her out. So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into this video. I already went ahead and opened it. Of course, I didn't open the main content, but I just opened this. Wow, just look at that. Look at this. The other package, as in packaging, are really beautiful. The other one that I worked with on this channel too, that has a rose gold packaging. This is beautiful, black and gold, and look at how amazing that is. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this. So let's see what we have in there. Of course, we have lashes in there. I don't know what and what that we have in there. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love the packaging. Look at that. Look at that star symbol. I said it's STARLASHESXODETTE. That's what she goes by on Instagram. Look at that. Look, did you all see the star right there? That is so beautiful. And look at the packaging. What is written on the ribbon says, for you, best wishes. That's what is written here. See, this is best wishes on this side, and this one says, for you, best wishes. All right, thank you so much, Miss Odette, for this amazing PR package. I appreciate you for including me. Thank you so much. So right there we have this card that came with it. It says STARLASHES by Odette. All right, rest assured your package was handled with the utmost safety and care, and we are completely sanitized before packaging. Packaged by Odette Young. That is so amazing. Like, it's so personal, like it's so affectionate. So inside it, this is what we have next going on. Okay, so you see how she packaged that too there. So we'll go ahead and take this out. That is beautiful. Then we have I have 5 lashes here. 5. See, I have 2 here, 3 here, making 5. So let's see what we have here. Ooh, I have Chance. Okay, I have Just Girly, one of the ones that she had before in her previous collection. Just Girly. These are really amazing. Every time I wear this to work, like I'm telling you, I have Romeo and Just Girly before. Whenever I wear it to work, because I use glasses, it doesn't touch my glasses, and everybody at work, they always ask me, oh, that looks like yours, like it looks so natural with the glasses. Oh, we have Joy. I don't have Joy in my collection. Now I have it. Thank you, Mr. Det. We have Romeo. I have Romeo before. See how beautiful Romeo looks. Look at that. It's not too long, not too short. It's just perfect. Then we have Faith. I have faith. I have faith in God. I don't have this particular style. Faith. There. Now, Chance, this is the star of the show, and this is what I'm going to be trying on for you ladies to see. So I'm going to go ahead, in order not to prolong this video, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, apply. This is not how to apply false lashes tutorial. This is just me unboxing and trying it on. So I'm not going to be doing it on the camera, but I'm going to be right back in a jiffy to wrap up this video. So let's talk about Chance. She is absolutely beautiful. You all can see her. Look at the style of the lashes is like thin from here and pow at the outer corner. Look at that. She's a little bit dramatic and at the same time not too dramatic. All right, so I'm not going to lay too much emphasis about using glasses with this or not. I'm going to tell you that if you wear medicated glasses, recommended glasses, whichever way that is appropriate for you to use, whatever word that is appropriate for you to use, you know, you can still wear these lashes without having any problem touching your glasses, even if it's your fashion glasses, whichever way. I just wanted to let you see that she is absolutely beautiful. Thin on the inside and pop at the outer corner. That's the word I'm going to use for Chance. She is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my glasses. I have two styles that I use. I'm going to show you how she look with the glasses. Please support her. These lashes are worth trying. They are beautiful and very easy to apply at the same time. You don't have to worry. It's just right from the box. I pop it on and I was good to go. So thank you all ladies for watching, and thank you gentlemen. I have some men that do watch my video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.